Arrive in style with this Chevrolet 2017 Silverado 1500 LTZ. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are audio system Chevrolet Malink radio with navigation and 8 inches diagonal color touchscreen AM/FM stereo with seek and scan and digital clock, includes Bluetooth streaming audio for music and select phones, USB ports, auxiliary jack, voice-activated technology for radio and phone, and shop with the ability to browse, select and install apps to your vehicle. Apps include Pandora, iHeartRadio, the Weather Channel and more. Rear axle 3.42 ratio, transmission 6-speed automatic electronically controlled with overdrive and tow haul mode. Includes cruise grade braking and powertrain grade braking.